When we heard about lockdown declaration due to COVID-19 in March this year, we think the study will get hampered for our children, at least for some months, or complete academic year will be lost. But TWGS had adopted a right start without any delay or loss of any working day of academic calendar, and they had selected an advanced interactive platform, Microsoft Teams, for their online classes. It is really tough task to handle so small kids. They had engaged them so much with various craft and extra activities.
The school had did much higher than our expectations during this pandemic. For all their hard work, dedication, affection and care given to him by them, I would like to thank his class teacher.
वहीं विजडम ग्लोबल स्कूल ने भी एक लैंडमार्क काम किया है कि हम लोगों के बच्चों को ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करा रहा है। वहाँ के टीचर्स दिन रात मेहनत में लगी रहती हैं। इवन द को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ की भी अगर हम बात करें तो वो भी बहुत अच्छे से कराई जा रही हैं स्कूल के द्वारा। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में डबल मेहनत लगती है, टीचर्स को डबल टाइप के लेक्चर तैयार करने पड़ते हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन तैयार करनी पड़ती है, कोर्स मटेरियल तैयार करना पड़ता है, देन दे हैव टू पोस्ट दैट टाइमली। उसके बाद असाइनमेंट उन्हें रिसीव करने पड़ते हैं, उन्हें टाइमली चेक करने पड़ते हैं, इवेल्युएट करने पड़ते हैं। अब हम स्कूल मैनेजमेंट की बात करें, जब ये MCQs लास्ट ईयर मुझे याद है जैन साहब ने जब इंट्रोड्यूस कराया था स्कूल में, तो सबसे पहले उसका विरोध करने वाला मैं था। लेकिन क्या मुझे पता था कि आने वाले टाइम में 1 साल बाद उनकी दूरदर्शिता थी, वो पहले से उन लोगों ने ये सिचुएशन के लिए हम लोगों को तैयार कर रहे थे कि उसकी जरूरत कितनी हम लोगों को कोविड सेशन में पड़ी। जब ये कोविड के दौरान सारी गवर्नमेंट्स ने सब स्कूल यूनिवर्सिटीज को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया कि जितने भी एग्जाम होंगे वो सब MCQ के थ्रू होंगे, तब मुझे वो जैन साहब की बात याद आई।
As in this pandemic the world came in a halt, only the school organizations were thinking about resuming the new sessions and they did it. I know it would happen very difficult to take this decision to bring the school online, to start the classes virtually, especially for the toddlers and the pre-primary sections. But with the great effort, with the zeal of doing something for the kids, the platform became more and more comfortable each and every day. And the best part, I like the teachers were available for the kids and for the parents all the time. Whenever we have any query, even after classes or on non-working days also. I'm happy that everything is happening very wonderfully and very smoothly.
टीचर्स इतनी अच्छी हैं। हमेशा जब मैंने देखा है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बच्चों के साथ बैठ के देखा, जब अन्ना पढ़ाई करते हैं, मैम बताती है, अगर अन्ना को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता मैम से दोबारा पूछते हैं, अगर आप मैम से कितनी बार पूछें मैम हमेशा बहुत अच्छे से रिप्लाई आपको बहुत अच्छे से बताती है। मैम आपसे भी पूछती हैं बच्चों अगर आपको समझ में आता है तो बताइए।
Today, I would like to appreciate the hard working of the teaching staff and the management.
In this pandemic situation, school management has decided to give online studies to the student without hampering their classes and without hampering their studies. Really, this is good. As a father, not only I am happy, my child is also happy for this also.
I would like to thank all the teachers and the administration staff for putting so much efforts in this COVID pandemic time. And if we face any problems, they are always ready to help us out. We are privileged to be the part of the Wisdom Global family.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for all the efforts you putting for our child's development. Your patience and commitment towards our child's improvement is really appreciable. Thank you very much.
Thanks to the management of Wisdom Global School for providing online education during Corona epidemic time. This is the best mode of education during this period.
The online classes are really doing good. They are explaining very nicely in the efforts made by them, and the concern of the teacher are clearly visible. Teachers are so helpful that they are ready to help even after the classes.
Thanks to the Wisdom Global School for the great efforts by the school during this COVID-19 pandemic. The efforts of the teacher are clearly seen and appreciable. I would like to take this opportunity to show my appreciation to the work and efforts that you have put into the school to the next level.
Would like to thank the entire faculty for putting in so much effort for us during this hard time. The school has been off, but our learning hasn't. online is a new way of studying. The work assigned is fun-filled and entertaining, to which our children enjoys a lot. The way you explain everything in each and every assignment is so amazing that I'm sure all the children must be understanding it well. Kudos to all the teachers who are